Dear Eve, my name is Eoghan Ó Garmaile. I attended college first in West Belfast. I also attended Maharoti College twice in Cursa A and once in Cursa B. The best thing about going to the Gaeltacht was meeting new Irish speakers and making friendships with them for life. I chose GCSE Irish because it helped me to improve my Irish grammar a lot, as well as encouraging me to speak it every day. I think it is important to have Irish because the language continues to grow at a huge rate today in schools, in universities, and especially in employment. I am currently studying history at Queen's University Belfast, but I still have the opportunity to speak Irish in the Common Gaelic at the university. The best thing about having Irish is that it is our native language, and so it connects us with people from every corner and every community on this island. My favourite Irish language proverb is, "It is nice to be important, but it is important to be nice." Garmaile.